After almost 3 years in court, the final outcome of the investigations by the National Fraud and Anti-Corruption Directorate has revealed irregularities. Yesterday, the appointed returning officer for the Madang Open By-Election, Simon Sinai, was arrested on 1 count each of false declaration, perjury and official corruption. On August 6, 2014, the Madang National Court ruled in favor of Petitioner Peter Yama after election process integrity was questioned. This then led to another by-election where Simon Sinai was appointed as returning officer. On record of this broadcast, the recount was conducted at the Jomba Catholic Hall using the electronic and manual system, with the recount results to be returned to the National Court on September 2.
We are looking forward to comments counting.
On August 26, the Madang Open Electorate Judiciary Audit recount commenced. It was confirmed the 6,116 disputed ballot papers found at the Madang Cemetery was to be counted and tallied separately as court exhibits. As the counting progressed, scrutinies raised concerns on the increased exhausted ballot papers, which questioned the integrity of electoral laws. However, Assistant Court Registrar Bakabina explained a court audit recount the PNG Electoral Commission must comply with. All errors and omissions must be raised with the court. The returning officer suspended the recount after lawyers of both parties, Duban and Yama, failed to turn up for the briefing. Sinai was surprised, same time raised concerns of such incidents happening in Madang, of live ballot papers found in ballot boxes. In September, the Madang recount finally concluded, with returning officer Simon Sinai disclosing figures with Nixon Duban with 15,002 and Peter Yama on 13,557, and the results will be returned to the National Court for the final decision. This didn't go well with Peter Yama, who later filed affidavits for contempt of court. On October 8, the Madang National Court declared Nixon Philip Duban as the legitimate MP. Justice Bernard Sakura made the ruling based on reports submitted by the Assistant Court Registrar Bakabina and returning officer Simon Sinai. The judiciary audit recount concluded with Mr. Duban leading with 15,002.
To do more for Madang, and we've got 2 more years to do more, and we will require a lot of support from our people. Understanding
2 options available to us: either to pursue the review in the Supreme Court as a matter of principle, or to withdraw the review currently on foot in the Supreme Court.
Petitioner Peter Yama then vowed to appeal to the Supreme Court on this ruling. He told EMTV News while there's respect for Mr. Duban as a duly elected MP, he will challenge the decision based on the returning officer's report, Simon Sinai, that his 2,881 ballot papers from Box 27 were excluded. Yama's lawyer Nixon Duban told EMTV News not served the recount results report to make any objection because of Mr. Sinai's late submission of the report. Mr. Sinai responded to EMTV via mobile text message. Yama's box and exhausted box were unused that were not counted in the previous court in 2013. Ballot boxes were opened and exposed to the public, not good to count, that need to be justified. Complainant Peter Yama went ahead and challenged Nixon Duban's win through the Court of Disputed Returns, EP number 12 of 2014. The court ruled in his favor and ordered a recount with the following specific orders. All votes were to be recounted, including votes from 6,116 ballot papers discovered at the Madang Cemetery. The recount was to be conducted both electronically and manually. It's alleged Mr. Sinai, after counting the primary votes, directed the IT officers to pack the electronic counting machine and have it sent to Port Moresby. It's further alleged thereafter he manipulated the results of the votes counted manually. Investigations by NFACD investigators confirmed the results as Peter Yama 16,654 and Nixon Duban 15,002. During the record of interview at NFACD, Sinai also confirmed the final results when questions were put to him. For the charge of official corruption, he was arrested yesterday, taken to Burko Police Station cells, be locked up after completing the arrest procedures. Fabian Hakalits, National EMTV News.